friends here are going to draw DJ Catnip.
Yeah, from Gabby's Dollhouse. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. Yes. And what else do they need?
Paper.
Paper. And what are we going to color with?
Crayons.
Crayons at the very end. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing a little nose for DJ Catnip. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper, but towards the top so that we have room for the long legs. Just a little oval. Okay, and then we can draw the eyes, and we're just going to keep it really simple by drawing one circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. Yep, and another one. And let's color in those circles too. Now this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video if you ever need extra time. Now let's draw his mouth, and we're going to start right here on the nose, and we're going to draw a line that comes down. Straight down. And then we're going to draw a big smile that comes out almost past the eye on the left. And then let's do the same thing almost past the eye on the right. And then we can draw the mouth open since he's really happy. Whoa, that's really big. I love that you changed it. And then we're going to draw the tongue with two bumps in the middle. And then let's also draw a little tooth right here on the right side. Okay, now let's draw the head. And I'm going to draw a circle that goes around the whole thing, or the whole face. And when you draw your circle, you might want to stay really close to the mouth down here at the bottom. That way we have room for the body and also the legs.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start up at the top, and we're going to draw a circle that comes around underneath. Well, I'm going to go, let's see. I'm going to go a little further underneath, and then I'm going to come back up and connect over here. It didn't quite turn into a circle, but that's okay. I love your circle. Mine's a little bumpy over here. That's okay, right? We're practicing.
Yeah.
And what's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun.
And practice.
And practice. Next, let's draw his jacket, and he also has cat ears up here. So first we're going to draw a line that matches the circle up at the top. So we can go from here to maybe there. And then we're going to draw the first ear coming up and down, but watch, I'm not going to connect all the way. We're going to leave a little space. And then let's do the same thing over here for the other ear. And then we're going to draw the rest of the jacket coming down, and it's going to match the head all the way down and around, and then connect to the ear on the other side and stay kind of close so that you have room. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Well, let's draw an eyebrow over each eye. Next, let's draw his body, and we can draw a little curve on the left and also a little curve on the right. And then let's connect those two curves together. Oh, and let's add the bottom of the sweatshirt. So two little lines on each side. Oh, you're running out of room for the legs. We're going to keep it small. We'll connect it.
Super small.
Yeah, and then let's draw, he has a little cat patch, just like Gabby does. So we're going to draw the letter U shape. And then a little line down for each ear on each side. And then connect in the middle. And then there's little drawstrings for the hat or the hoodie. So we're going to draw two lines down on each side. And then a circle at the bottom of each line. Yeah, you could color it in too if you want. And then another circle over there. Okay, now what is DJ Catnip missing?
His feet.
Yeah, his really long legs that can stretch too.
Yeah.
So let's draw one that's just coming straight down. We're going to draw two lines that come straight down like this. So one right here, and you probably just want to come down to about there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then one right next to it that comes down. And then down at the bottom, we're going to connect those two together. Yes. Let's draw one that kind of comes out to the side too. I'm going to start here, and oh, we could even come up like that. So let's start here, and we'll come up over here. And then I'm going to draw another line that's next to it that matches, just like we did over here. And then at the very end, we can curve around and connect. Okay, let's draw another leg right here. I'm going to draw it right next to the other one. And you could just draw it right in between. There you go. How many legs does DJ Catnip have?
4.
4, but how many do we have? One, two, three. So we need one more leg. Let's draw it right here. I'm going to just draw it kind of spaced out from the other side. And then we can draw a curve to connect them. Oh, you already got it. Good job. And then there's also one last leg, but I think it's a tail. It's not a leg. And I'm going to draw it coming out to the side like the other one, like this. And I'm going to draw another curve right next to it to match, kind of like we did on this side. Whoa, that's awesome. And then I'm going to connect them together. Okay, now let's add the stripes on the legs. I'm going to add 2 lines. Let's start on this one. So add 2 lines for a stripe. Let's add 2 more for another stripe right over. Oh yeah, you could do it there too. We're going to add them all over on each leg and tail. I'm going to add stripes here, and then we'll add stripes going down this leg. And you don't have to add these stripes exactly where we're adding them. You can add them in a different spot if you want. And let's keep adding stripes until we got all of the legs and the tails covered. We finished adding those stripes, but we're not completely done.
We still need a color.
Yes, in this part we are fast forwarding, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your DJ Catnips. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring DJ Catnip, and yours is always my favorite. Look how cute that thing is. You did such a good job, Olivia.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thanks. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We used a lot of colors, and we used our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons, and we used 2 purples for the main face and also the legs. We used a light purple for the main color, and then we used a dark color for the stripes. Don't forget to add those dark purple stripes. There's 3 at the top and 2 on the cheeks.
Yeah. We also added pink cheeks.
Yeah, we added the pink on top of the purple, and then we added different colors for the stripes on the legs and the tail.
We hope you have fun drawing DJ Catnip.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.